How long does it take to complete the code search process for a Samsung TV?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be discussing the code search process for a Samsung TV. Whether you've lost your Samsung TV's remote or you're simply looking to streamline your remote usage, understanding this process will give you greater control over your viewing experience. Remember, the total time required for this process largely depends on your individual pace, but on average it takes about 5 to 15 minutes.
What is code search?
Code search is a function that allows your universal remote control to find the code that corresponds with your TV or other device. This feature is especially handy if you don't have the list of codes that often comes with new remote controls or if your device isn't listed. Essentially, it's a way to automate the process of finding the right code.
Initiating the code search process.
To start the process, you will need to turn on the TV you wish to operate. Then press and hold the setup button on your remote until the LED light changes from red to green. Next, press the TV button on your remote. The LED light should blink once and then remain green. This prepares your remote to search for the TV code.
Completing the code search process.
To search for the correct code, press the Channel Up button on your remote control. The remote will send a series of codes to the TV. If the TV turns off, it means the remote has found the correct code. If the TV does not turn off, continue pressing the Channel Up button every 2 seconds until the TV turns off. It's important to be patient here. This process may take a few minutes as the remote cycles through all the available codes.
Saving the found code.
After the TV has turned off, you can save the found code by pressing the Setup button once more on your remote. The LED light on the remote will blink twice to confirm that the code has been saved. Finally, to check if the remote control is properly programmed, you can turn the TV back on using the remote. If the TV turns on, then you've successfully completed the code search process. And there you have it. You've just mastered the code search process for a Samsung TV. While the time it takes to complete this process can vary depending on the individual, it typically ranges from 5 to 15 minutes. With your newly programmed universal remote, you'll be able to enjoy a streamlined and simplified viewing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy viewing!